Virtually everyone who spent time in past years on the North Carolina State University campus in Raleigh came into contact with Harrelson Hall on the University Plaza, which is much better known as the Brickyard. Harrelson Hall, named for John Harrelson, Chancellor of NC State University from 1934 to 1953, opened in 1960 to much acclaim primarily due to its shape. Yes, Harrelson was round, with oddly shaped classrooms, circular hallways, and a helical walkway in the center of the building rising from the ground floor to the very top. It certainly was a unique structure. Harrelson Hall had 58 classrooms, and for many years it housed the administrative offices of the university's history and math departments. Well, sooner or later, campus buildings must be renovated, brought up to current building code or standards. But in the case of Harrelson, no renovation project, however extensive, could put Harrelson in code. And so, in the summer of 2016, Harrelson was demolished. And you can check out that demolition in another video on my YouTube channel. Once Harrelson was torn down, the site was replaced by a very pleasant park area. It seems likely that in years to come another building will be erected here, but for the time being we have a fine place to hang out where Harrelson Hall once stood.